No, public safety officials are sending out a warning this evening about the dangers of carbon monoxide as we face that bitter cold that's making a return.
Single digits, yeah. So the number of calls typically actually increase to local fire departments during the wintertime, and that includes Norwich, where NBC Connecticut's Kevin Geis has their tips on spotting the warning signs.
It's often referred to as a silent killer. Carbon monoxide can be a real problem this time of year, and public safety officials have a plea for the public to keep yourself safe. A common winter call for fire departments around the state. Carbon monoxide, a byproduct of burning fuel, is proven to be a deadly problem.
It's odorless, it's colorless. You will not know till it's too late.
Jason Urban with the Norwich Fire Department says with homes closed up in the winter and the heat on, CO calls come regularly.
Because people are using heating systems in their house more.
They say because carbon monoxide has no smell, no taste, and no color, they have to respond to every call as though the gas is present.
And it's a slow process. You're just walking and detecting, trying to see if you can pick up something on your meter.
Meters do the reading. Firefighters will track down the source of the leak if CO is present. Cold snaps and winter storms mean messaging from local and state public safety officials are increasing, pleading with the public to check detectors.
Check your carbon monoxide alarm. Everyone who's got any type of fuel burning appliance in your home, you need one. You need one on every level of your home.
State Fire Marshal Lori Volkert says always listen to the detectors if they sound. Evacuate and call 911. It's not uncommon for snow and ice to block vents and chimneys this time of year, creating backup. And improper use of heat sources or unmaintained appliances or heat sources can fill a home quickly.
If we lose power, you'd never want to bring outside open fire devices inside.
Symptoms of early stages of poisoning include nausea, headaches, and dizziness, flu-like symptoms. All the more reason to have working detectors throughout your home.
Especially in the winter when people are sick, the signs of carbon monoxide poisoning in the early stages, nausea, not feeling well, headache, could mirror any other type of winter illness. And fire officials here in Norwich as well have one more reminder. Never warm up your vehicle inside the garage. There can be a buildup of CO there as well, and it can bleed into your home. In Norwich, Kevin Geis, NBC Connecticut News.